Morning. Next stop is Burger, which usually has these massive line, but let's say for a breakfast burger at 8 a.m. it's usually not that bad. So it's 7:30 now. It's about a 30-minute drive. Look how packed this is. Welcome in Queenstown. Of course it's raining. Of course it is. Alright, so the Burger is around 500 meters away, just down that hill, and then took a left. A 15-minute wait, she said. A long black is water with espresso, and an Americano is espresso with water. Tastes like coffee. It's much hotter. Yeah, and I think it's less coffee flavor. Water is much clearer here than in the Catlins. Much clearer. Okay, we're now on the way to a shower and then to the airport. But quickly back to the coffees. So the Americano was definitely much hotter but watery, whereas the long black just had much more of the coffee flavor, which I really liked. And we bought some coffee beans as well from them. Alright, we are all ready and freshly showered, ready to fly. And next stop is this parking lot. Okay, let's quickly pack. Alright, the video is exporting. Let's try to find some spot where we can pay this thing. Well, that was easy. Pay here. Alright, the Laundry and Bongo version vlog is uploaded, and of course now that we need to walk to the airport, it's starting to rain, but looking forward to Steyr. Steyr. Getting a haircut. What do we think? Alert! Thank you. Oh! Get out of town. Hello, buddy. Get out of the country. How are you? There you go. Yeah. Banh mi. Just
Banh mi?
Yeah, it's just go like that, yeah. Oh, just go there and turn left. What do we think?
Look, inside the box.
What is it?
Hey! There you jump out.
What? What?
Oh yeah!
What?
Happy birthday!
Fuck yeah, man. She doesn't believe it. Alright, come, let's get you out, man. You've been there for like 15 minutes. How are you going?
Hello,
Happy birthday!
everyone here plus.
How are you? Good.
Did anyone notice the hidden camera?
No.
This is the worst knife I've ever not sharpened. You understand what I'm talking about? Getting Sam.
This is
I'll send you.
Happy birthday.
And welcome your waiter for this evening.
I like that. Jesus. Looks pretty good. Alright, we're back. First stop is to fix the eSIM. Second stop is food, and we'll see what happens. Hiya! We have been in the Pack and Save parking lot for the last 3 hours, trying to figure out what we do with the situation in the toilet, because my friends that I originally wanted to go to, they are unavailable for the next couple of days. So there is an organization called the Men's Shed, which the idea is quite nice. It's for men who just want to visit other men. I think the top level idea is to have something to do for retired men, such that they don't get bored and don't deteriorate their mental health. So they can go there and build with other men that they then can get to know, build things together and just make things. And I've hit up the one near Wanaka at Lake Havea or something like that. And yeah, they are open, they are available, and that's where we're going tomorrow morning. It is 5:30 right now. So we will sleep at Lugate. We'll be at Wanaka. We can actually get these ladders. Yeah, so that's where we're heading now, to Lugate for the night, and then head to the shop tomorrow morning. And just like in the good old days, first couple of cuts and I've cut myself super weirdly. Yeah, we're eating salad tonight. We can't get bothered to cook anything, so this is quick and easy, just chopping.